Hello guys, welcome to the live stream of Options with Jeet channel. So today we have the live session. It was a very short notice, so today is a live session. So let's see means how we are going to monitor today our trades, and we will see means what else we will do. Let me just copy the link. I forgot how to take the link. Let me see. How do I share this? There is some background noise, so please bear with it. Yeah, I have shared the link, so if people wants to join the live, they can join now. So just let me know in the chat whether the audio quality is okay. You can hear me. Yeah, audio has some noise. I don't know. Means I am trying to do the setup, but the Zoom ones are pretty good, but the streaming ones are not very nice because I'm using the OBS Studio. The setup for the mic, it is the same mic. It's the same setup. I don't know. Means it is not working. Let me do the troubleshooting after this, because the laptop fan is running. Because of streaming, the fan will run a little bit faster, so that noise is there. But you see the mic is very far, so the laptop is far. I think means the laptop mic is also picking up. I have made the relevant settings, but I don't know why it is not doing properly. Yeah, it is still there is a lot of noise about, like I am seeing after I stop speaking also the mic output is moving. Anyway, means we will look at it later. Now let's get on with the positions right now. So okay, right now you can see the market is up today. So the market is somewhere close to like 18,130. So 18,130 is the level, so it is up for today. So if I see points movement, absolute, yeah, it's about 100 points up from Friday's close. The IC is okay. This is our IC position: 17,700, 17,800, 18,400, 18,500. So this is our IC position. This is our calendar. Okay, don't worry about this because we still have a lot of time. December. This is 18,500 calendar. We have 18K calendar. I will touch upon it later. We are in profit in the IC about like 2,000 rupees. We are nearing 2,000 rupees profit. So it is time. We have already achieved the 1%. somewhere today I'll put the message to close this position. The market is roaming around in the same level because the premiums have already come to single digit. The sell premiums, the buy was anyway from beginning it was single digit, but the sell has come to single digit. So I want this to come down a little bit. If both these premiums are a bit same, it's okay, because we have paid, or the margin blocked was about 2 lakhs. So what we are looking for is 2000 rupees for this position. If we get 2000 rupees, we just get out, okay? So it is as simple as that. So 1%, this is per week, 1% on this position, enough. We have budget coming up next week, so our positions will be very light. Let's see means how it goes. Thank you. 5 people, 6 people are in, but it's okay. Like not expecting today many people to join in because many of our members are working people. So today is a Monday, so they have a regular work. For me, fortunately, Chinese New Year came on Saturday, so Monday is off for me. So today is off, so that is why I am live today. Let's go into our positions which we took last month and this month. We'll just go through. I want to keep it short, so we will go through that. So I have to unhide the December one, because December one I hide in. This is our premium group tracker. So we are running at about 42,000 plus profits. We'll show you here. So it will be better, yeah. We are about 42,800 profit. So today we will also we will be booking another 2k. So the position open is here. That is the only position open apart from the calendar. The calendars we have been booking every week. We have been booking profit. So this week also we will book. So slowly, and this is only for the month. This month, this calendar we started this month. This was the previous one also. Let me try to unhide the sheets. Then unhiding, slowly I start forgetting the commands for the Excel. Show no group, insert sheet, because when I had hidden the sheet, so now I can hide the sheet, but I cannot unhide anything. So let me see. No, cannot. We started off with we can have, because last month we had about 33,000 profit. This month we are running at about 42,000. So this month the most of the trades were good for us. How to unhide this? You see, nothing is visible here. Let me see what to do. I don't get the help for unhiding. So what we have is pretty good. Pretty good month up to now. Yeah, there are no hidden sheets, means we have started for this month. So probably the previous ones I have to take. I have not deleted those sheets, so those are moved to a different sheets. So let me try to bring that up. I am on a different window, so you may not see. You can only see the cursor movement. Yep. Yeah, this one I'll move it there. So now you will try to get the sheet there. Yeah, you can see the sheet here. So this sheet is our old sheet for the August onwards. We are tracking August, September, October, November, December. So then from 2023 January we have got a new file means for tracking. So what we have is the plan. Only the plan means this is starting from August, means we started in August, so I'm tracking from August. Plan alone we got about 83 or 84,000, say 100 rupees less. So 84,000 we have got, and simple iron condor. A simple iron condor works. The market was in the range, it is okay. The market was in the range, about 1000 points range I would consider. So like where we started at about 16,600. This was our first strike, means we took 16,600. Then now we are somewhere around 8250. That is the higher end, means we went much higher also. So this is the higher end. So we are at about like 2000 point range we are taking, means from starting from July, from August up to end of January, means this month also we have taken 18,500. So this month the trade is 18,500. So 16,500 to 18,500. So 2000 point range. So this is the range we expect the market to move. The market is moving within that. That is why means we have a very good profit in our IC. So this is the plan. So we have got about 84. This is a very simple strategy. In the group also, means I have been mentioning, I have been giving the same trades in the focus group, which is options with Jeet Telegram channel, and we have a Discord of Nifty BN. So in the Nifty BN I have got a dedicated thread. I am one of the moderators there. So I have got a dedicated thread where I am posting every week, but premium group is regular. All the other ones I might skip 1 or 2 weeks, because premium group is a subscribed group. Okay. So this is only the plan. So we have a calendar. So 3 calendars we had. 2 running, 1 was already closed. So 1 was we have taken in September 2022. So what we had is September 9th. We did not take in the beginning of September, but September 9th we took. So 15th expiry. So again that year 2022 December we took the options. We had 3 months, less than 3 months to go. So we took the positions and we closed it at about 9,400 profit. So what was blocked was about 82,000. That was the capital blocked. We closed at about 11%. That is on the margin. Whatever margin is blocked, we calculate our profits with that, because we mix our cash and collateral together. Because the collateral margin we cannot take into account, because that is coming from the invested stock. Okay, you can interpret it in either way. If you consider only the capital blocked for that trade, the returns will show higher. If you see your overall capital, the returns might be lower. Okay, for me the best option is to calculate based on how much capital I am putting in. If I am fully invested, okay, both will be same. But normally option seller will not be fully invested. It's a multiple way of interpreting it. Few people, they will go with per trade basis on what is the capital deployed. Means I do that, means for every trade. But many other people, they will follow like on the overall capital. My guru follows that, means he has a capital of 5+ crores. So whatever like he calculates it based on the original capital, or means his total capital, means not the funds what he has deployed for the trade. Means both are acceptable, it is okay. But at the end net what you get in your account, that only matters. Means I am not showing huge returns or something like that. Means the returns are quite nominal amount of returns. Okay. So this is our first calendar. So what we got was about 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 rupees for the 3 months, means from September up to 1st of December, means it is not 4 months. September to December is 4 months. Now it is not 4 months, but we closed it at the beginning of the December. Beginning of the December we closed and we moved to the next calendar. Okay. So when we closed up these positions, and why in the beginning of December? Because the expiry of the December option is 29th of December. So we don't want to keep this option till expiry and make this 718 to 0. Okay. Or 780, I think that week it closed little above 18k. So this would have been almost like 50 to 100 rupees this option will be, but we closed it at a very good profit in the beginning of December. If I kept it end of December, this loss would have been much higher. Okay, but we could have made a little bit more money, but both are more or less same only. Okay, so then we moved to our next calendar. On 25th of November we started another calendar. So that calendar is currently running. So if you see, the position is not closed. This position is about like 19k loss in this position, but since the position is not closed, so it is not updated. So the profit what you see is only for the closed position. Similar way, the new year when we started 2023, we started with the 18k calendar. So right now the positions are like this. So 1 week we booked the profit. So we have the next week positions running. The 18k calendar is here. 18400. This is the IC what we have taken. This is other account. You can see the IC taken, but here you can see the quantity is 350. So 100 quantity is a sell of 18400 and 18,000 we have a buy. Okay. So the purchase price is 1515. So right now it is 1490. Today market is up, means it is going up, means when I saw it was 130, now it is 145. So the market is going up. Here I think we already, no, not this one is including this. Okay, I think we achieved our profit target. Yeah, we achieved our profit target. You can see this. I will go to the analyze. Oh, I went to the console. Okay, I have to go to analyze. So I need to just remove the calendar ones. So this one and this one, yeah, the one I remove. So we are at about 1863. Okay, a little bit is there, so let it come, then we will close our positions, because this one is the weekly sell for 18500 call calendar. So this is the weekly sell and we are selling above 18500. Since the coming week we don't have any reasonable premiums available at 18500 or slightly above. We don't want to sell anything below 18500 because our sell strike is 18500. Always we want to sell above this, not below this. So this is one of the rules of the calendar trades, means that when you have a buy trade, never sell anything below your buy, means always sell above this. I have been stressing it even on the Nifty wheel strategy also. This is also a kind of Nifty wheel only. So I am buying one Nifty one lot and I am selling multiple lots on a higher side. Means say consider that tomorrow or day after tomorrow or by budget, if the market goes up above 18500, here I will have some loss. Okay, because here I sold a little higher. So here unlimited risk on the upside, but the 18500, which is a December expiry, will start moving like anything, because this is already at right now about 350 rupees loss, because the market is down, means it is 18150 only, but we are at 18500. But we still have so many weeks left, means up to December time is there. By December I believe either we will end up at around 19500, something in that level, 19,000 plus or 19500 levels. If we are still at 18500, every week what we sell, it would have compensated the entire loss, because already we have compensated so much of loss here. Okay, so not to worry, things are okay. What is there? Okay, all in one. Sir, while taking exit from selling hedge positions, first we need to exit buy position or sell position. Sir, first you need to exit the sell position, means don't exit the buy position, then your sell position will be unhedged position. The margin will momentarily go higher. That time you will get a penalty, margin penalty from your broker. Every broker, I think they have sent a circular or an email message regarding that. When you are coming out of a hedged position, always first close your short position, means close your sell position. Then you can close the existing buy position, because buying requires only premium, so selling requires margin. And if you are entering both the position together, it is a margin is with hedge benefit. But when you are exiting the buy leg, then your sell leg is naked. Momentarily that margin will go up. But if it is for a fraction of a second, it should not be a problem, because they will not take a screenshot or anything like that. But to be on a safer side, better to exit the position, first sell. The sell position you close it, then you close your buy position, you should be okay with that. Okay, what else? Let's come back to, okay, we have covered the IC and calendars. So let us come back, okay, on the December positions. Okay, we had a excellent run on the stock strangles. This is ICICI Bank. My God, we have done extremely well for a long period of time, except for a month or two in the beginning, August. ICICI Bank, yeah, this is where about 13k we lost, because August month was not a great month, but we ended up with a very high profit. That is mainly due to the protective synthetic covered call. So protective synthetic covered call is a premium strategy, but it is available free. It is in the Nifty BN channel. If you want to know what is the PSCC, just put PSCC Nifty BN in YouTube. You will find the strategy, means how to do this one. This is a protective synthetic covered call. So you can get the information there. This is one of the big profit trades we got. Then again, means what I do generally is the plan. Then we do USD INR, we do expiry strangle. ICICI Bank I put purposefully covered strangle. Why? Because you can see here ICICI Bank, why it is covered. You see my holdings. You see ICICI Bank holding, you see how much is there, 1375 pledged plus 25, so 1400. I have got two full lot of ICICI Bank in my account, so I can sell two calls against it, okay, covered call for the higher price. And you can see my average price. This will look very surprised for you. My average price is 441, but 441 is without the options rental income. The actual price is much lesser because I got so much from the options on that. My average purchase price is 441 because I have been purchasing since the corona crash, okay, before that and after that also. I started sometime in like 2020 January. I'll show you, means I have it here. I have it for you. I updated it last week, so I have it for you. When I started, just before the corona one. You can see 549 was my first purchase, and all these basically means the money is not something, means the initial purchases, you see the money is not from my pocket, it is from the profits when I sell options, okay. Whatever trading profits are there, I used to put it back. The lump sum bigger amounts, I have put it from my pocket, okay. You can see the stock purchase, 3 quantity at 549, then we got, when the market crashed, that time whatever money I had, so I had to put in. So that time was, I was just starting with the F&O. 2020 was the time, means everybody's life changed upside down. Most of you would agree. The corona period, I lost my job. I was sitting at home. I was doing options. So this was the time where I got slowly get trained myself self. Plus I attended the course from my guru. I don't know whether I can tell it live, but I attended a seminar from him, and then I got into option selling. Then I started doing in this, but that was after March, means not before that, but before I was doing options, but mostly option buying. So you see the profits are all very less. So whatever minor profit I was getting, I was putting it back. Okay. Then slowly, and with all these March to May, December 2019 to May, it was basically a small case SIP. Means I used to put like every week, I used to put something in ICICI Bank through small case. I built up a portfolio in small case, and every week I used to buy one or two stocks. At that time the price was very cheap, like 300 to 200 to 300 rupees, like you can see, 295, then 300. Then there was a gap because the crash happened, then there was a gap. This was the time I got into COVID infection, and I was going through, we had all these e-pass issues going between the states and all this stuff, so I could not do much. I was infected by COVID and I was like 1 month off. Then I recovered, I stopped trading for some time. I was still trading but not buying ICICI Bank. Then some money came in, then we started buying. You see 382 quantity at 313, and people were cursing me that you are buying at such a high price, but for a stock the price is never high. Okay, now you see where the price is, it is heading to 900. Okay, so never think that you are buying the stock or market at the top. On a longer range, the market and the stock will go higher. Market will go higher. The stock to go higher, it needs to be a fundamentally good company. ICICI Bank is one of those. They are fundamentally very strong, very good. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Infosys, Reliance. These are the companies we should be at least touching. Don't go and touch IRCTC. IRCTC is of course a good company, but it is a momentum stock. Okay, or don't go and touch the penny stocks, where you get a stock tip, you go and buy the stock less than 10 rupees. Or don't do that. If you are a recent investor or trader, you should be looking at the top 5 or at most top 6, not more than that. Why you have to look? Because they are top 6 for a reason. Okay, why they are top 6 or top 5? Because they are fundamentally strong companies. People who are investing in fundamentally strong companies will get rewarded over a period of time. If you are very good in stock picking and you are a super duper man, you are a very good stock picker, then you can venture into going into mid cap stocks. Large caps, leave large cap, mid cap, and if you are a very seasoned, experienced stock picker in the market for last 10-15 years, you can go into small caps. That is what the mutual fund managers will do. If you are better than a mutual fund manager, you can go and do that. If you are a working personnel, and if you are doing only stock market investment or trading as your part-time job, do not look at a place other than top 5 stocks. Okay. Then continuing, like all these purchases are, and this was a top-up purchase. This was done couple of weeks back, because if you see the total quantity here, the total quantity is 1375. Okay. Then the ICICI Bank lot size got changed in December. So the January series, the lot size, before the lot size was 1375. By January, the lot size became 700, means it reduced. So if I have to sell 2 lots, I was 25 shares short, because I was having only 1375. So I had to go and buy the 25 shares. So that is what you will see here. Means what I got earlier was 1375, which was pledged. Then I went in December 26 and I bought 25, which is still not pledged. Okay. Here you don't see the entire profits here. You will see a less, because the profit what is shown is only for this 25 on the average price. But if you see the overall, it will be much higher. The overall should be somewhere here. Actually, I'll come to this later. Holdings. Here you can see. This is the overall, like total quantity is 1400. This is the console. If you don't know, this is the console of Zerodha. It will reflect your holdings in the regular one in a bit different way. This is more accurate than the other one. Okay. So this is 1400 stocks. Again, the average buy price is 441. The buy value is about 6 lakh rupees, and currently I am running at about 12 lakh rupees. So we are double in 2 years. Okay. This is what you look at. You see the companies, whatever I discussed, those companies are here. Okay. I discussed HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Infosys, Reliance. And Silver Bees is something which is a trial for me. This is a silver ETF run by the same company which is running Nifty Bees. So Silver Bees is the Nippon India fund is running this Silver Bees. So we are decently up. Means this is not like a very, you see, when did I purchase? It was at November 11th of the last year. So it's currently 2 months now. So November means November to December, December to January, 2 months purchase. So in 2 months I am 10% up. So silver is going up, so it is good. With some money, like you put it in the metals, so it is better. I have gold bees, silver bees, Nifty bees, bank bees. Means I don't know what other bees is left. I will see. Anything there. You are welcome. All in one. I don't know who is the all-in-one. Obviously, it's a premium group member, because the link I have shared it only in the premium group, not in the focus group, because I want to keep this one a bit short. That is why. Okay, we'll go back to this. So there you saw 441, but here you see the average price is only 389. Why? This is the purchase history. This is the dividend history. So on 29th of July, I received a dividend of 2,750. On 29th of July means I had only this many stocks. Okay, I had about 48 stocks. So I received some dividend on that. Then on 8th of August, by the time I had this much, 1375. So I received dividend. So both put together, so I have got, oh, this is 2021, that is what I was thinking. Yeah, initially the dividend was less. Here you can see in the holding statements, view dividends. So what I received was 29th of July. So I received 2 rupees dividend per share, because this was after the corona, so the dividends were less. You can see the same amount which is reflected here. There is nothing which I have not put apart from the ones which are available in Zerodha console. Okay, then in 2022 August I received 5 rupees. So we put together means I have got about 9,600 rupees. So now the next dividend will come in this year, sometime in July, August, probably about the similar amount will come, because today is the ICICI Bank result. Fantastic results they have given, and today the ICICI Bank is up by about 1.5%. Yeah, 1%. It is up by about 1%, which is quite good. So we are making money there. Okay. Then the option side. So I started selling covered call. When did I start? May 2021. Why I start in May 2021? That is the time I got the 1375 quantity of shares. On 6th May 2021, I received 1375. This equals to 1 F&O lot at that time. Okay. Then I started selling covered call. First month made a loss. Then started making profits. Some months break even. Some months I had a huge loss. Like say here, huge loss, because the run up was so big. I was gaining heavily on the underlying. The ICICI Bank, I think from July, we can see, means July 2022, we'll just open the chart. Go to the daily time frame. It's a minute time frame. We'll go to the daily time frame. 1 day. So July 2022. You can see the July to August was huge. This is the July to August. This is where the July started. The July to August, you can see where the run is. When we went in the August we were at about 825 rupees. It went in August 825 rupees, somewhere around that. After that it still went up, but the August close, the July close was somewhere about 825, but when the July started it was 725 rupees, okay, or about 700 rupees. 700 to 825 is a huge move for ICICI Bank considering the stock price. 700 to 825 is 125 rupees, so which represents about 15% of the stock price. So the ICICI Bank within a month it moved 15%. Means if I do a naked strangle, 15% is not something like we would account for. Even with the adjustments, 15% move is quite high. In 1 month it moved 15%. Okay, so those months we tend to make loss. We will try to keep it manageable, but we still made a big loss here. This much loss I generally don't take. Means if I take nowadays, I take a max loss of about like 20k, not more than that. I don't take more than that. If I get somewhere very close to that, I simply exit the trade. I'll do adjustments, but even after adjustments, if I am getting a 20k loss, then there is no point. Just throw the towel, come out, at least we survive for the next day. Then we started making profit, loss, profit. This is one major loss. We made good amount of money here. We lost some money. We lost some money here. Means this was like a streak of losing streak was there. Then we made money. Then huge 2 months lost huge month. Then I stopped trading ICICI Bank for a month. I just gave a break because August, then September no trade. So it came to October only. In October, November, December, January we closed recently. So we closed it in profit. So but all put together about 63,000 profit there. 9,600 on the dividends. So you put together this, your average price still comes down. From 441 it came to 389. So this is my purchase price. This is the same figures, you will find it in the console also. You will find the similar figures. It will be little bit here and there because the price is moving. So it is little bit here and there, but almost like the ballpark is same. This one and this one, ballpark will be same. Okay. So Reliance similar. I have just started. I have not updated it. It is yeah, more or less updated, but we are still not break even in Reliance. So we are in the option side. We initially we lost heavily. I don't know, means Reliance is not a stock where we are making money. So I have the 250 quantity. Means that was on 19th May 2021. I got the 250 quantities, and this was the time I opened the 5 paisa account. So that was the first purchase of Reliance shares. I put in about 5 lakhs. Now I think it is running about 6 lakh 1,000. So this is the portfolio value. But the options I started selling once I got it in May. I started selling from June. June first month itself, huge hit. Then a minor profit. Then again a huge hit, minor hit. Then started making some money. Then again hit, making some money. Then again got hit in December. Then in January made a minor profit only. So Reliance we are like on and off. It's quite open, and dividend is also not very great. For 5 lakh investment up to now, for about 1.5 years now, 3,700 only. The underlying has gained. I don't know what happened here. Something, because there was a value here. Something got changed. Okay, no problem. We'll see. Oh, okay. Nothing is coming out. The ICICI Bank one. Okay, these are the covered call and CSP. This I am still from August we are tracking. So the January ones I have to update. So we'll update that. A few stuff only. Yeah, January is updated here because this is 2022. This is 2023. It got updated. The plan we discussed, calendar we discussed. This is the 2022 tracker summary. We have got all the trades here. Okay. All the trades from August, September, October, November, December, everything is there. It is only a summary. In the new file, it is only a summary. So we had excellent September, good October. November was a kind of break even because something would have gone, most of this money would have gone into brokerage. December was a very decent month for us, and now running January. So January we are running at about 42,000, and today the IC we will close. So we will have about 45,000 today. Okay. No other trades are open right now. I am looking at currencies, because I keep on looking for the trade. Today the currency opened quite low. You can see the USD INR. Where is that? Yeah, it is in one of these accounts. I just tracking because it went down below 81. Now it is slowly picking up. So I'm looking at 81, 81.5 and 81.75. But if you see that here I am paying 20 paisa, but I am collecting only 4 paisa here. So if I sell 3 lots here, I am collecting still 12 paisa, I am paying 20 paisa here, plus I am going to hedge it on the upside for 1 or 2 paisa. So I am not getting a good trade here. Let me put it this way. Let us construct that here. Let's construct that. This is USD INR. So don't take this trade. We are just constructing this just to show you that what we can expect here. So this is not 20th, so this is 27th. So 27th, what I am looking at is at the money. Means we are going out of the money bullish view because the max pain is at 81.5 and it is bullish. Okay. So we are looking at 81, 81.5 and 81.75. What we are getting is 400 rupees profit for a 100 rupees loss. If this is for a single lot, we don't take single lot. I generally take 50 lots, okay, or say 20 lots. Means in the group I give only 20 lots always. So 20 lots. So we are looking at 7,800 rupees profit against 2,200 rupees loss. This is still okay, but right now we are at the lower end. If it goes down further, and for expiry we have got another 4 days, if it goes down slightly down, 2,200 rupees loss is guaranteed. Okay, that is the biggest trouble here. I am waiting the trade. Then initially I saw the trade was not good because the USD INR was below 81. It was like 80, 95 or 92 something. So it was not looking good, but now it looks a bit okay. The trade looks a bit okay. 7,500 because you see the width is 10,000. Means the total width is for 10,000. So 7,500 against 2,500. So whenever this loss goes same, if loss goes lower, profit will go higher. If profit goes lower, loss will go higher. 10,000. If you add this two, it will become 10,000. Okay. Pop is okay. This is a low pop trade, so this is okay. For a 20 lot trade, so we will require about 42,000. But what the margin needed is about 40k. So this trade is also still okay. I will put it in the premium group. If I get this trade, I will put it in the premium group. Now this trade looks good. Before when I opened, it was not good, but now it looks good. ICICI Bank we covered. I think that's it for today. Means today, yeah. Fin Nifty, okay, break even last week. CTS we made money, and I did not give it in the group because I did the Nifty CTS also. I made some money but did not give it in the group. That is why the tracker is not updated. This one, I think today, did we reach? Yes, I think we reached. 2000. No, still no. Still roaming around similar. I am just waiting for the 2000. Once it comes, we will come out. Other than that, it is okay. Means there is nothing more. The similar. This is my 5 paisa account. Means that is what you see here. Same positions you see here in this one. So here the IC is 1, 2, 3, 4. The calendar is 1 and 2. So here the strike is combined. That is why means here you see a bigger profit because the 18,400 sell the 100 quantity more because of the call calendar here. So that's it, guys. Means just I wanted to make a quick live with you guys, just reviewing the position, but just trying to be active in the YouTube also, because the last video we uploaded was about a year back. So that was the option chain, how to study the option chain and other stuff. Okay, that is what the last video I posted. But now after that, no strategy videos, only few live videos are there. This is also one of the live videos. Okay. So sir, presently which is the best stock to buy and should we do liquid base? See, right now you cannot say is there any best stock to buy or like that. Means now, right now, common sense will tell you that don't buy ICICI Bank at this rate now. Okay, Reliance is good. HDFC Bank has run up. Means it came down. Infosys came down. Couple of weeks back, Infosys was at 1400 levels. Okay, so those are the times we have to catch the stock. Means now it is above 1500, so it is 100 rupees up in couple of weeks. Okay, when the IT was down in the December, that time should have entered. I entered in one of the accounts. I entered Infosys. Today I am trying to buy something because I think we did not get into this reports one. The last 2 months what we were doing. Yeah, this is the last 2 months, from December 1st to up to today. Today is 23rd, so up to today. This is like F&O combined. So we have gained 27k. Means this is not everything. Okay, this is only the trades which are taken in Zerodha. Okay, so not all the trades, because some trades I take it in 5 paisa also. Some trades in Zerodha, some in 5 paisa, like that. So 36k is what we gained, 8k paid brokerage, so 27k. Don't go with this because this one is maximum. The loss what you are seeing is 18500 CE of December. Okay, there is nothing else. Few trades we are not trading very regularly or like that. Few trades here and there we did. Just I want to touch up on this. So the net is 27.37k. So 27,300, say 27k. 27k I have not invested back into the market. I have to do that. So today I was looking what to buy. There is absolutely, I could not see anything to buy because everything is up. HDFC Bank is up 17-18 rupees. My God. Reliance is up because actually I wanted to buy it at 1445. I have not placed the order, but it was at below 1450. I wanted to buy, but I came into the live. I was reviewing. The price went up. Does not matter. You will never miss opportunity. Reliance will come down because today Reliance results were there yesterday, right? So Reliance will tend to go because the numbers were good, in line with market. I don't say super duper, but it was in line with the market. So that is why the stock is going up, because it has corrected a lot before the results. Infosys is decently up, 11 rupees. I am not having TCS. I am not having HDFC. ICICI Bank as usual is good. Rest I am just keeping the Hrithik stock in order. Then few stocks where we tend to do the covered call or the covered strangle, those stocks I am keeping. Some stocks for these two I have in my account, so that is why we are monitoring this. Tata Motors and Tata Consumers, so I have it. Tata Consumers was last to last year Muhurat trading peak. 1.5 years still, like, my God. You can see here the Muhurat peak what I took, that is this one. You can see after 1 year I started averaging also, it is still at about 3k loss. Today it is up a little bit. Tata Motors also similar, not very like great. It is like 1.5k down, because today it is up. That is why it means 1.5k down. Reliance, you can see 250 quantity is there with me. So today Reliance went up, came down, now it is going up. This chart is not that great, but today it started going up. Reliance. Infosys 72 shares, entirely out of option profits. I have not invested even a single rupee from my pocket on Infosys. HDFC Bank similar, completely out of the option profits only. Gold B's some token quantity only, 120. I told you gold B's, bank B's I have, right? So this came with the account opening, that CPSC. This is the public bank, the public's or government banks ETF. So that is one quantity only I received by when I opened the account. That is up decently. That is up. It was up huge. It was almost 100%. So now it has come down. Bank bees, as I told you, I have bank bees, but bought this one was my cost, means I put it from my pocket, this money. So this has given me quite a good amount of returns, about 30-35k, but still not closed. This is paper profit, so it's still not closed. On the right side, you can see what is my margin available, how much collateral. Cash I am keeping very less. I am just using my entire collateral, and this is the beauty of a 5 paisa account. So you can have your entire collateral usage. The product name is called Margin Plus. This can be discussed because this is the official product they are providing. So in the Margin Plus, you can use your entire value of the collateral. Your cash component will be matched by 5 paisa or over and above the cash what you have in your account, and for those they are charging some interest. Okay, so in my ledger I used to get the interest amount also. I'll show you the ledger. You will find here interest charged for margin utilized, 200 rupees, 150 rupees, like that. It is based on how much usage I am having. These are peanuts, means the benefits what it provides is much better than the small amounts what I am paying like every week. So it is 1000 rupees a month is nothing. I am getting the facility, 1000 rupees is nothing. It is okay. So any questions? If there are no questions, I will end the session. We have discussed, I think we are about an hour to the live session. Are we there? Yeah, we came down a little bit. No, still another 150 rupees. I think market is going nowhere. We are just roaming around the similar range only. We are not going anywhere. These 4 positions, I am looking at these 4 positions. When I do analyze, this also comes up because this Nifty analysis, this also comes up. So I just remove this. This is part of the calendar trade. Okay. So anything else? Okay, I don't think we are getting any questions. So thank you for joining in, and all the best. If anything is there, it will be posted in the premium group for closure of the IC if we reach 2000 rupees. Okay. Thank you guys. Take care. All the best. Bye bye. Signing off. This is JR. May the markets be with you.